In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called iOS Launcher. It has to be from Launcher Studio developer, Launcher iOS 18. When it's ready, open it, hit Get Started at the bottom, and select I agree to terms and conditions. Then tap on Continue twice. Following that, you need to click on while using the app and allow. Now click on this X at the top right corner. Select Set as Default at the top and click on iOS Launcher. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same app. Click in Set as Default at the top and clicking on Quick Step. You can also go into iOS Launcher and adjust all of those options however you want to. Then apply your launcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!